If the hotspot is not working properly on your Realme GT 7T, then what you can do is, first of all, we're gonna open settings. Now, in the settings, let's go to connection and sharing. And of course, over here, we want to go to personal hotspot. Before we turn it on, it is recommended to go to hotspot settings. And what you can do is go to AP band and you want to check if you are using 5 GHz. If so, you might want to switch back to 2.4 GHz because, generally speaking, it is more compatible, or it is compatible with more devices. So for now, you can switch to 2.4 GHz in order to make sure that your other device can connect to your hotspot. Besides that, of course, it is recommended to disable hide hotspot unless you can scan the QR code on your other device. In that case, of course, we can generate the QR code in order to connect with our hotspot. I'm gonna show you in a second how to do that. And last but not least, in these settings, we can also toggle Wi-Fi 6. So of course, some devices may not support Wi-Fi 6, so it is recommended to turn it off, at least for now, in order to check if it makes any difference. You can also change the password to something easy, but we need to use at least 8 characters. So you can set up something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in order to check if you can connect. Because, for example, if you can find the network but you cannot connect to it, then it might be the matter of the password. All right. Besides that, if you go back, if you turn on the hotspot, then you can generate the QR code. So if you can scan the QR code on another device, then of course we can tap over here in order to get the QR code. So this might be one of the more convenient ways to connect to the hotspot. And that's pretty much everything we can do. Most of the issues can be related to these advanced settings over here, so you can do everything as I have right now in order to try to solve your issues. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.